Look at Matt's sorry little snowman.
Whatever.
Hey! Did you get me with snow? You little punk. Look at you. You're becoming a pro with that snow, buddy. Oh, there's its little sorry little marijuana leaf arm. Here's another one right here. You're throwing snow at him. Good job, buddy. I'm so proud of you. I know Daddy will be too. Look, the snowman's about Dylan's size. Don't crash it. What is that supposed to be? It's a little hat. Is it like a beret? Yeah. Or like the old time berets? Or is it a cone? Hey! That's not nice. Oh, he's got a mohawk. Quit hitting Mommy. That's not nice. What are you doing? He got you, buddy. Hey, pick up snow and do that. Don't just hit him. Hit him with snow. Pick up some snow and throw it at him. There you go. You gotta go up to him and throw it because you can't throw that far. Don't eat that. That one was brown. Num, num, num. You're so silly. Hey. Quit. That's not nice. What is that supposed to be? Is he an Indian?
No, it's called his hair.
Oh, his hair. Dylan, don't touch that. No, no, no. Stay. Stay on the snow. Pick it up and throw it at Matt. Dylan's doing a snow angel. Good job, buddy. You're so silly. Stand up, baby. You're gonna get cold. Maybe I should have put some little swimmers on you. Hey. Watch your mouth. Ew. It's a worm in the snow. Ew. That's gross. Stop. Get it.